Hi YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I am doing a initial review of the Tempur Pedic Adaptec Pro mattress. I got the full foam Adaptec Pro, not the hybrid. I'm going to let you know about the delivery process, talk to you a little bit about what I think of at least the overall impressions, first impressions, I should say. I haven't put a covering on it. They just delivered it, and I'm going to let you know what I think. Let's get into it. First off, using the Tempur Pedic website to look at the different mattresses is great. I would suggest if you have a store near you that you go and check it out in the store, only because there's slight differences between the different hardness levels. The Adaptec Pro, and I have a queen. The Adaptec Pro comes in four different models, basically. I mean, it's one model, but four different firmnesses or constructions. So you have your soft, medium, firm, and then you have medium hybrid. So you have those four options with the Adaptec Pro, which is slightly different than the Tempur Pedic Adaptec model, which only has I think two options or maybe three options. The Adaptec Pro, it's supposed to be slightly cooler. It has a comfort cover. It also has an inch more of padding, which is supposed to make it softer and more body conforming when you're sleeping. But I went to the store, laid on different mattresses. I got the one I like. I got the medium because that for me is medium is good. And then I set up the delivery. Just be aware when you set up the Tempur Pedic either through the website or you go to a store, it takes about a week for delivery depending on the size. If it's a very popular size like a twin, you may find that your delivery time may be more to closer to 10 days. And then after that, it was kind of like, I ordered it. They did really good follow-up. They called me twice to let me know, hey, your mattress is all set. It's in the delivery status. Then I talked to them again to say, oh, it's coming tomorrow. So that was great. I thought, oh, these guys are really on it. And then after that, the delivery day, which is today, delivery day, they came and they said, we'll be there in 4 minutes. And literally, they were here in 4 minutes. And the window that they gave me, they came right at the top of the window, which is unusual for many delivery services. Maybe it's just where I live, but it turned out perfectly. And they had already done the interesting part. I talked to the delivery guys, and they had the white glove service. They said they had already done 6 deliveries already. So they are on it. They are literally on it. And it's early in the morning, by the way. But they are literally on it. And it was really quick. They brought my mattress in, they unboxed it, and set it on my frame, and we're out. All of that took maybe 10 minutes max, 10 minutes max. They were very conscientious about, how they got into the house, things like that. It was just super easy. So I would say delivery-wise and customer service-wise in terms of communication, it's a 10 out of 10. It's just amazing how much customer service that you get. Now, that being said, Tempur Pedics, if you've never experienced them, they are on the expensive side, but my friends that have had Tempur Pedic mattresses and some of the reviews I read, people love them. Now, that being said, if you're a front sleeper or a stomach sleeper, you could have some issues depending on how much you sink into the bed and things like that. I am over 200 pounds. The Tempur Pedic mattress that I got, the Adaptec Pro, is supposed to be great for people my size. And actually, the regular Adaptec is also supposed to be great for people my size. And we're going to look at the mattress and see. They put it on the frame. I haven't put any covers on it because I want you, or sheets on it because I want you to see how it looks. But let's see how it looks on the frame. It's sitting on my original frame now. You have options to buy the kind of the adjustable frame, or you can buy the flat board. I actually had a sleigh bed, so I wanted to use my same bed frame, which has slats. You want to make sure when you're getting the bed that you don't have slats that have too much space to them, because the foam can, at least that's what they warn you of, the foam can go into the slats, which means you will need to once a week or so pick your mattress up and make sure that it's not sinking in through the slats. But my slats are actually quite close together, so I shouldn't have any issues. But we're gonna go look at the bed just so you can see what it looks like. I'll do a kind of a top views laying in the bed so you can see how much I sink down in it. Like I said, I'm 210-ish, 15-ish pounds, 6'4", but I think I'm gonna be happy. Anyway, let's get at it. So this is the bed. As you see, it's delivered. Adaptec Pro Medium with contour technology. It has that top cover on that I was telling you about. This is the top cover, and it actually zips off. So it zips off the whole mattress so that it keeps kind of a protective barrier. They recommend that you wash this typically once a month-ish, so that it keeps this fresh and clean. But also this layer right here is supposed to help to keep you cool, because Tempur Pedic mattresses can tend, because it's all foam, they can tend to run hot. As you can see, the cover is actually quite nice, but I'm gonna put another cover on top of it. And then they just installed it right on my frame. And as I said, I have slats underneath, and I don't have too much space between the slats, but as they recommend, I'll probably lift it once a week just to make sure that it's not sinking into the slats, even though my slats are fairly close together. Some sleigh beds like this will have slats that are very far apart, but you can see from my slats, they're actually not very far apart. All right, so I'm gonna lay in it so you can see what it's like. And then you'll see how far I sink in. I'm just gonna lay on my back. I'm laying on it. I don't know if you can see, but I don't really sink in that far. From what I understand with the Tempur Pedic mattresses, when you initially get them, I mean, like right now it feels super comfortable, but I'm not really sinking into it like the ones at the store. That is normal. So don't think that they brought you the wrong firmness or things like that. The bed, from what I understand from the websites and from people's reviews, is that the bed has to kind of get acclimatized to the temperature and then your body temperature. And as your body temperature or your room starts to warm up the Tempur material, the bed will get softer. Now, this to me is perfect. I am sinking in. I'm just not sinking in like super, super deep, but I'm actually in it. And when you look from the side, I mean, I'm sinking in pretty well, but I feel supported, right? And so that's the point of this mattress. I looked at other mattresses. I looked at getting the Sleep Number bed and some other mattresses, different kind of foam construction mattresses, and I just didn't like them. I also looked at the purple mattress, and I wasn't necessarily sold on that. This mattress, though, I think I'm gonna love it. Like I said, my friends who have it already, they love it. And so I will do another kind of maybe a month out or a month and a half out, just so you can see what my thoughts are after actually sleeping on it for a number of days. But so far, super pleased. Tempur Pedic, the company, good product. The white glove service, excellent. They're doing free delivery. At least they have been doing free delivery for, several months, and I think they're going to continue that. But all in all, I like it. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. I hope to catch up with you guys soon. Please leave comments below if you've tried this bed, and again, thank you. So subscribe and like below. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.